Intro. Host on camera. Welcome back to our QAED EaSTE Training Module 3, and today we're diving into Unit 4. How do learners learn grammar? We'll explore key principles, teaching methods, and practice activities to help our learners grasp the intricacies of grammar. Language focus. Host voiceover. In Unit 4, we'll be focusing on three main areas. 1. How grammar is presented and taught. 2. How understanding of grammar is checked. 3. How grammar can be practiced. Learning outcomes. Host on camera. By the end of this unit, you'll be equipped to 1. Understand the advantages and disadvantages of inductive and deductive teaching methods. 2. Lead learners through activities that help them infer the function and form of a grammar structure. 3. Use a variety of techniques and questions to assess learners' understanding. Key principles. Host. Voiceover.
And second is called as deductive approach. So deductive is more like from general to specific, okay? And it is considered as the traditional approach to teach grammar because it is most like teacher-centered approach. To explain the rule firstly, and then teacher can...
The teacher first presents examples, allowing learners to discover the rules. Reflection and action point. Host on camera. It's time for reflection and action. Sum up what you've learned in this unit and consider how you'll apply this knowledge to your teaching. Summary. Host voiceover. In Unit 4, we've explored deductive and inductive learning, introduction of new grammar points, techniques for assessing understanding, and various practice activities.
Caterpillar, okay. Do you like caterpillars? Are they scary, caterpillars? Do you find them scary? No? Okay. Yes, Zishan, what's your noun? Monkey, okay, monkey. Is monkey a noun? Yes. Correct. Okay, I have 4 very nice nouns. Now, who's going to give me an adjective? I need 4 adjectives. Yes. I think big is an adjective. Do you think big is an adjective?
Yes.
Okay, yes, darling. Beautiful. Louder. Lahore? Loud. Okay, alright. You said loud and you said brown. Are brown and loud adjectives? Both of them? Now, so you know nouns and adjectives as words. Let's see if you know them. Are you ready?
Yes.
Going to write. Let's see how good you are at it. Okay. But first, I want you to tell. Dua, can you read this sentence for me? The butterfly is beautiful. Is this a good sentence?